Welcome another video dear viewers. In the realm of fitness, Mr. Josh Duckworth reigns supreme with a physique shaped by unwavering discipline and a mindset rooted in consistency. He has not only transformed his own body but also shaped the fitness landscape on social media. If there are anyone who embodies excellence, style and inspiration in 2025, it's Josh. His rapidly growing Instagram following demonstrates that people admire not just his appearance but also his work ethic, vision, and leadership within the fitness community. Standing alongside him in Miss Gillian, a representation of strength, grace, and beauty in perfect harmony. Her dedications to fitness goes beyond mere appearance. It's reflected in his commitment to healthy eating, his time spent preparing nutritious meals, and his mindful lifestyle choices with his commanding presence and vibrant confidence.